Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. I hope you all liked, shared and commented on all my previous videos. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and watch it, but pause this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. So yes guys, today's video is all about 5 basic points that you need to keep in mind while you're going on a long ride. So this is applicable for both the riders as well as the pillion. Okay, I'll just try giving a few points from my personal experience as to what and all needs to be done to make yourself comfortable while you're going on a long ride. Okay, let's get into the video. Yes guys, let's get into the point 1. The point 1 is nothing but your seating posture. So your seating posture plays a vital role while you're going on a long ride. This is applicable for both pillion as well as the rider. So if you guys are in an uncomfortable position, make sure that you feel comfortable when you're going on a long ride, because it's very important, because you shouldn't end up getting a weird back pain or a shoulder pain, which will ruin your whole journey. So make sure that your position, your seating posture is right, and you're in a comfortable position, because that makes a great change in your health, as well as you can also have a peaceful ride. Okay, keep that point in your mind when you're planning to go on a long ride. Yes guys, the second point is luggages. Don't take unwanted stuffs while you're going on a motorcycle ride. This is very important, because what happens is, if you're going on a motorcycle ride, you should only take the things which are very important. And I do understand that people like to take a lot of fancy stuffs, but no guys, it doesn't work when you go on a motorcycle ride, because what happens is, it becomes difficult for the vehicle to carry you as well as the luggage. So at times it might spoil your trip as well. So try to cut short the items that you take and take the most important item that you need. That's more than enough when you go on. So make sure that in order to not ruin your travel, I would suggest that the less number of items you take, it would be much more easier for you to travel. The third point is safety gears. So make sure that you and your pillion wears the safety gears, because it's very important to safeguard yourself on highways or any kind of normal roads. So at least the basic ones would work out, like helmets and riding jacket. So if you're not able to afford a riding jacket, go for a basic leather jacket or anything like that, which covers your upper body. Because what happens here is, it's very important, because we can't assume things, like accidents may happen at any point of time. But instead of creating a major incident, we can cut short it in a minor incident itself. So it's better to wear a helmet always. Even like I would always suggest everyone, even if you're going to a shop nearby, make sure that you wear the helmet and go, because that doesn't cost you anything, but make sure that you wear, and because helmets are very important to safeguard our own lives. And what else? Yeah, so these are so some people I've seen, safety gears is what, like if you're a real rider and you're going on a regular ride, it's better to get a knee pad, like lot of things like that, riding jacket, and they're like shoes, boots and things like that. But if you're not a person who's going on a regular ride and you're going for a short rides, yeah, a riding jacket would be fine. Else, if you're not interested in that, you can just like helmet, a good helmet would be fine. So that's all about safety gears. Fourth point is brakes. Do not take multiple brake, guys. So what happens is, this might you might end up losing interest in the long ride. So when you're going on a long ride, do enjoy the roads that you go. Like don't wait for reaching the destination, because that doesn't make sense, because nothing is going to wait for you over there. You're just going on you just took your bike for some reason to enjoy the ride, rather than not reaching your destination. So make sure that you enjoy a ride and avoid taking multiple breaks, because in most of the cases you end up losing interest in the ride that you go. So make sure that, and yeah, normal like lunch, breakfast lunch break, and those things can be taken, but then like multiple breaks is not, it should be avoided for you to enjoy the rides. The fifth and the final point is food habits. So food habits is what, while you go on a long ride, is eating less, or try to eat less. Don't go for a like lavish food or something, because what happens is if you're eating a non-veg, I do understand you can eat non-veg, but then eat it in a minimal quantity. What happens is if you eat a lot, you end up feeling lethargic and it becomes hard to ride, so your eyes might turn, you might feel sleepy, and those, you might come across those kind of issues, so that might cause a major accident or something. So make sure that eat less and travel. So once you reach the destination, then it's up to you, you can go and have it, but mainly while you're on the long ride, make sure that you're not eating more. Okay. Hey guys, I hope these 5 basic points would have been very helpful and informative. Please do implement these while you're going on a long ride, so that your whole journey will be a very safe and a comfortable one. Okay, so if you feel that this was a quality content and there was some kind of information, please do share it with your friends as well, so that even they'll be knowing that a person named Franklin is doing all these kinds of vlogs, which will help them. Okay. Thank you guys, thank you for all your support so far. Do follow me on Instagram, the IDs are in the description, and also stalk me on Facebook, the same is in the description as well. Let's wait for another exciting video. Till then, bye from Franklin.